Did you know that in the ancient world, cloves were worth their weight in gold? These tiny spices, native to the exotic Maluku Islands in Indonesia, were so valuable that wars were fought over them. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today we're embarking on a fascinating journey into the world of cloves, a spice that's been cherished for millennia. But before we dive in, if you're curious about natural health boosters and love discovering ancient secrets for modern wellness, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what's coming up. Now let's explore how these small aromatic gems are more than just a flavor enhancer. For those of us over 50, incorporating just 2 cloves into our daily diet can unlock a treasure trove of health benefits. From boosting our immune system to improving bone health, the humble clove is a powerhouse of nutrients. And as we go along, I'm excited to hear from you too. Have you ever used cloves in your daily routine? How have they impacted your health and wellness? Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's inspire each other in our journey towards better health. Cloves, the flower buds of the evergreen clove tree, have been a culinary and medicinal staple for centuries. Originating from the Spice Islands of Indonesia, these tiny buds have traveled across the world, flavoring dishes and healing ailments. In medieval times, cloves were used to preserve food thanks to their antiseptic properties, and they even played a role in the global spice trade, shaping economies and cultures. But there's more to cloves than their rich history. Packed with nutrients, cloves are a powerhouse of health. They're loaded with fiber, vitamins, and minerals essential for our body. What makes cloves truly special, though, is their compound called eugenol, a natural antioxidant that brings a host of benefits, especially for those of us who have crossed the 50-year milestone. As we delve deeper into the world of cloves, you'll discover why this tiny spice is a giant when it comes to health benefits. From aiding in digestion to fighting off infections, cloves have been silently guarding our health for generations. Stay tuned as we uncover the myriad ways cloves can revolutionize your health after 50. Now let's talk about one of the most impressive aspects of cloves, their incredible antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are vital in fighting off the oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which are a byproduct of our everyday metabolism. As we age, particularly after 50, our bodies need more antioxidants to combat the increased oxidative stress, and this is where cloves come in. Packed with compounds like eugenol, flavonoids, and vitamin C, cloves offer a potent defense against oxidative damage. These compounds not only help in neutralizing harmful free radicals, but also aid in preventing chronic diseases, including heart disease and certain forms of cancer. Imagine something as simple as adding 2 cloves to your diet daily can significantly boost your body's defense mechanism. But the benefits of these antioxidants go beyond just physical health. They have a profound impact on your skin too, helping to slow down signs of aging like wrinkles and sagging skin. Who knew that the secret to a youthful glow could be found in this small spice? In our next segment, we'll explore how cloves can enhance digestive health, a common concern for many of us over 50. So stay with me as we continue to uncover the remarkable health benefits of cloves. Moving on to another crucial aspect of our health as we age, digestion. Many of us over 50 start to experience digestive issues, but did you know that cloves can be a simple, natural remedy for these problems? That's right. Cloves are not just for spicing up your meals. They can also spice up your digestive health. Cloves have been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat various digestive disorders. They stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, which helps in efficient digestion and reduces the occurrence of common issues like bloating and indigestion. Additionally, the eugenol in cloves has been found to be effective in reducing gastric ulcers thanks to its anti-inflammatory and gastroprotective properties. But there's more. Cloves also possess antimicrobial properties, which means they can help maintain a healthy balance of gut flora, essential for a healthy digestive system. This is particularly beneficial as we age, when our gut health becomes increasingly important for overall well-being. And let's not forget, a healthy digestive system is key to better absorption of nutrients, which in turn supports all other aspects of our health. So by adding just 2 cloves to your daily diet, You're not just enhancing the flavor of your food, you're also giving a boost to your digestive health. Stay tuned as we move to our next segment, where we'll explore how cloves can support your immune system, another vital aspect of our health, especially after 50. As we age, our immune system naturally begins to weaken, making us more susceptible to infections and illnesses. This is where the humble clove comes in as a natural ally. Cloves are not just about adding zest to your dishes. They are a powerful tool in strengthening your immune system, especially crucial for those of us over 50. The secret behind cloves' immune-boosting ability lies in their rich content of antioxidants, particularly eugenol. This potent compound has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, meaning it not only helps in fighting inflammation, but also wards off harmful bacteria and viruses. It's like having a natural defense shield in your spice rack. Moreover, cloves are a good source of vitamin C, another key nutrient known to enhance immunity. Regular consumption of cloves can contribute to increasing the production of white blood cells, the body's first line of defense against infections. This is particularly beneficial as we get older and need extra support for our immune system. But how do you incorporate cloves into your daily routine? It's simpler than you might think. You can add ground cloves to your morning tea or coffee, sprinkle them over oatmeal, or even include them in your cooking. Small steps, but with big impacts on boosting your immunity. In the next segment, we'll dive into how cloves can be your ally in managing inflammation and pain, common concerns as we step into the later years of life. So keep watching as we continue to explore the amazing health benefits of cloves. As we journey deeper into the golden years, managing inflammation and pain becomes a priority for many. This is where cloves, a small but mighty spice, come into play. Cloves aren't just a kitchen staple, they're a natural remedy for reducing inflammation and alleviating pain, something increasingly important after the age of 50. The key component of cloves in this regard is again eugenol, a compound with strong anti-inflammatory properties. Eugenol works by inhibiting enzymes that contribute to inflammation in the body. This means that regular consumption of cloves could help reduce symptoms associated with inflammatory conditions, such as arthritis, a common ailment in older adults. But cloves don't just stop at inflammation, they have also been traditionally used for pain relief. For instance, clove oil is widely recognized as a natural remedy for toothaches. Its analgesic properties can provide temporary relief from dental pain. Similarly, incorporating cloves into your diet might help in alleviating general body aches and pains that often come with age. Integrating cloves into your daily life for pain management is simple. You can use clove oil topically for localized pain or incorporate ground cloves in your meals for systemic effects. Remember, a little goes a long way. Up next, we'll explore how cloves contribute to maintaining oral health, another significant aspect as we age. Stay with us as we continue to uncover the multifaceted benefits of cloves for those over 50. Oral health is a window to our overall health, especially as we age. Did you know that cloves have been used for centuries, not just for their flavor, but also for maintaining oral health? Yes, this small spice packs a punch when it comes to keeping our mouths healthy, a crucial aspect for those of us over 50. Cloves are celebrated for their antibacterial properties, making them effective in combating oral bacteria, the culprits behind various dental issues like cavities and gum diseases. The eugenol in cloves not only helps in reducing gum inflammation, but also acts as a natural pain reliever for toothaches. Beyond just dealing with dental pain, cloves can contribute to fresher breath. Their antimicrobial properties help in neutralizing the oral pathogens responsible for bad breath. This is particularly beneficial as maintaining oral hygiene becomes increasingly important with age. Incorporating cloves into your oral health routine is easy and versatile. You can chew on a whole clove to freshen your breath, or use clove oil diluted in water as a natural mouthwash. Some even prefer making a paste of ground cloves and applying it to troubled spots in the mouth. Next, we will delve into how cloves can bolster your bone health, an area of concern for many after 50. Keep watching as we explore more health wonders of cloves. As we age, One of the critical health concerns we face is maintaining strong and healthy bones. This is especially true after 50, when the risk of conditions like osteoporosis increases. But did you know that cloves could be a secret weapon in your diet for supporting bone health? Yes, this small spice is not just about adding flavor, it's about adding strength to your bones. Cloves are a good source of manganese, a mineral that's vital for bone formation and health. Manganese aids in the development of bone matrix and helps in the absorption of calcium, which is crucial for bone density and strength. This makes cloves an excellent dietary addition for those looking to support their bone health as they age. But that's not all. The anti-inflammatory properties of cloves can also be beneficial in reducing pain and inflammation associated with bone and joint conditions like arthritis. This means that regular consumption of cloves might not only help in maintaining bone density, but also in managing the symptoms of joint-related issues. Incorporating cloves into your diet for bone health can be as simple as adding them to your daily meals or teas. You can also consider clove supplements, but it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. In this segment, let's explore some practical tips and interesting facts about cloves, especially tailored for those who are new to using this spice. Even if you're just starting to build your journey with cloves, these insights will be invaluable. First, let's talk about how you can easily incorporate cloves into your daily diet. Cloves have a strong, pungent flavor, so a little goes a long way. You can start by adding a single clove or a pinch of ground cloves to your tea or coffee. It not only enhances the flavor, but also brings the health benefits we discussed earlier. Another great way to use cloves is in cooking. They add a warm, distinctive flavor to various dishes, from savory stews to sweet desserts. Remember, cloves are versatile. You can experiment with them in different cuisines and recipes. Here's an interesting fact. Did you know that cloves are used in traditional medicine across various cultures? In Ayurveda, cloves are celebrated for their kapha-reducing properties, while in Chinese medicine, they're used to treat indigestion and diarrhea. And if you're looking for a natural way to freshen up your home, cloves can be your go-to. Just boil a few cloves in water and let the aroma fill your space. It's a natural air freshener that also offers health benefits. Finally, a word of caution. While cloves are generally safe, excessive consumption can lead to adverse effects like irritation in the gastrointestinal tract or allergic reactions in some individuals. So moderation is key. As we wrap up this segment, I encourage you to explore and embrace the world of cloves. Start small and feel free to share your experiences or recipes in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're incorporating this wonderful spice into your life. Up next, we'll discuss some important precautions and best practices when using cloves, especially for our friends over 50. Stay tuned. As we've discovered, cloves offer numerous health benefits, particularly for those over 50. However, it's important to consider some precautions and best practices to ensure we're using this potent spice safely and effectively. First and foremost, moderation is key. While cloves are beneficial, excessive consumption can lead to adverse effects such as digestive issues or irritation in the mouth and throat. For most adults, incorporating 1 or 2 cloves into your daily diet is sufficient to reap the benefits without overdoing it. If you're using clove oil, remember it's highly concentrated. Always dilute it with a carrier oil before applying it to your skin and avoid using it in large quantities. Clove oil is potent and can cause irritation if used improperly. For those with certain health conditions, such as bleeding disorders or liver problems, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before adding cloves to your regimen. Cloves have blood-thinning properties which might interact with certain medications or conditions. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should also exercise caution with cloves. While using cloves as a spice in cooking is generally safe, medicinal use or high doses of cloves or clove oil should be avoided during pregnancy and breastfeeding. And lastly, if you're considering clove supplements, it's always a good idea to discuss this with your healthcare provider. Supplements can interact with medications and may not be suitable for everyone. By following these guidelines, you can safely enjoy the health benefits of cloves, especially as you embrace the years over 50. Remember, when it comes to health, a balanced approach is often the best approach. As we conclude, I'd like to thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of cloves. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content. Stay tuned for more exciting topics and tips to enhance your life after 50. As we come to the end of our journey exploring the remarkable benefits of cloves, especially for those of us over 50, I hope you found this information enlightening and inspiring. Cloves, a small yet mighty spice, hold the potential to make a significant impact on our health and well-being. We've covered a lot today, from the antioxidant properties and digestive benefits of cloves to their role in boosting immunity, managing inflammation, and enhancing oral and bone health. Remember, incorporating just 2 cloves into your daily diet can be a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier life. I encourage you to experiment with cloves in your cooking, try adding them to your teas, or explore their various uses we discussed. And as always, moderation and consultation with a healthcare provider are key, especially when trying something new. If you've enjoyed this video and learned something new, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Your support means a lot and helps us bring more content like this to you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on health, nutrition, and wellness, tailored specifically for the vibrant years after 50. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health and happiness with just a sprinkle of cloves. Until next time, stay healthy and stay curious.